Okay guys, so we're gonna do something a little different today. Super excited because I'm gonna go to this cute little church flea market with Liz. Liz actually introduced me to it. I had no idea it even existed. So yeah, you should ask at your local church what kind of events they have. So I told her that next time we would go, I would have to show you guys what they have because they have the cutest things ever. Shop as much because I do want to give you guys a haul of what I end up buying there. But we end up finding pretty much the cutest things for like less than like literally got I think like 3 cute candle holders for $2, which I will show you at the end. For the haul, I got a cute wreath that I used for my background is for also I think $2. So it's just like super affordable stuff and super cute stuff, and it's like an indoor yard sale. That's the best way that I can put it. But I can't wait to show you guys. I know I'm moving a lot. I forgot I need to show you guys my outfits, which it's pretty much what you see, but there's this really cute long coat that I ended up getting obviously for the holidays, and just paired it with an all black inside outfit and some red lips because you know we gotta have those red lips for the holidays. I originally was gonna return this coat because it has a lot of but it pretty much stained when I wore jeans. It stained my jeans, but now it's too late. I lost the receipt. It's past the 2 weeks of return policy, so we're gonna deal with it. But that's why I put all black also because I was like, I'm not trying to have my clothes stained. Let me see if you guys can get a better. Oof, don't look at my room. Don't even. Just focus on the beautiful red coat right here. So beautiful. I ended up being told that we couldn't film, which I kind of was already expecting. The part that we did get to film, I ended up asking for the vendor's permission. The basement of a church where a bunch of vendors come together and they have these really cool sales. I hope you guys got a good clip of how it is. But I didn't really get to film that much, or as much as I wanted to at least. But that's okay. I really got really cool stuff, so I want to show you guys because I'm super excited. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's start with these. So I ended up getting these cool candle holders. I like them because I really want to do like I want to decorate my room a certain Christmas style, and then the rest of the house will be something more different. But I definitely want like cool Christmas with some pinks and blues, different colors. In 3 different sizes. There's the big one, the medium one, and then they have this cute small one too. And I ended up getting all 3 of these for $2, which I was super like shocked about because I had seen the $2 price tag on one of them, so I figured each one was $2, and she said that all 3 of them were $2 altogether. Another cool decoration that I ended up getting, which is the one that I'm really excited about, and it jingles. So you guys don't understand, like I get so excited for Christmas time. Like this is literally my best, like my favorite season. So it's a cute wreath. Again, I loved it because of the like different colors. You know, it's a little less traditional, but still looks super festive, super fun. I don't know where I'm gonna hang this yet. I think this one for $2 as well, I believe. I think it was $2, yeah. Okay, I got this. I still don't know what this is. I just thought it was really cool. Like it looks super, like, I don't know, just elegant, and it cost me $1, so this is the bad part. I literally buy stuff and I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I just literally buy it because it looks pretty, which I'm surprised I'm not a hoarder, or maybe I am. But I'm thinking of doing something with this. But after I decorate these stuff, I'm gonna try and show you guys how I ended up decorating it and putting it together. I ended up getting this Starbucks mug because your girl loves her Starbucks. Your girl has to make coffee now instead of getting her freaking $4 caramel macchiato, which I really don't know why. If you guys have any suggestions on what Starbucks like drink is similar to a caramel macchiato but much more affordable, comment below because that would be super helpful. And then I ended up getting this was my last purchase, but I still have more stuff to show you, but this was my last purchase at the end of the day. It's a penguin ornament. I'm getting this for $1. I just think it's so cute because it has a little bow on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it has a little bow on it, the diamond. I just thought it was so cute, so different. I love penguins, so it has this like cute pattern cardigan or sweater, whatever it is. Yeah, so I'm super excited to hang that up. Okay, so the girls ended up convincing me to get this. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So I'm just gonna have to I'm probably gonna have to take you guys around and show you how I decorate these after, but they're just pretty much these like nice festive decorations that you would put outdoors. Apparently it gets powered by solar power, and then solar power. I was kind of getting impressed that I was trailing on well. But anyways, you dig them into the dirt or grass, whatever, same thing, right? And then they light up at night, supposedly. I was supposed to put these on as soon as I got home so that I could see them at least maybe tonight, but I guess I'll put them on tomorrow. Never decorated the outside of my house, so I don't know. This year I've gotten super, I think it's the first time that I really want to like just decorate. I've been buying decorations for the house. I've been buying decorations for my room. I'm slowly getting there. I'm not there yet, so I don't want to show you guys until it's fully ready. I'm probably gonna go all extra and put stuff in my room and decorate my room Christmas style. So this ornament is super cute. I'm trying to focus it. There we go. Yes. It's a kisses ornament, and I think these are so fun. I've been seeing so many fun ornaments. I want to do like an all pink, blue, silver, whatever, but you'll have to see because I'm super excited to show you guys. I'm probably gonna vlog that as well when I decorate the tree. So I ended up getting that. Then the vendor was really nice enough to let me have this one. He saw that I was looking at it, and I think it's super cute. It says friends and family gather here, so it's a nice touch to the apartment. I feel like I got more. Oh, I know what I got. So I ended up getting this. I have to show you guys. I got this. Meet Mr. White. I know you guys are probably thinking, what a little girl, right? But you know what? I'm still in the Christmas spirit, so I really, really want to get stuff like this. But the reason why I got this was I went last weekend and I saw it. It was priced at 12 bucks and I was kind of like, it's not bad, but I wasn't really inclined to getting it. This actually brings back a lot of childhood memories, just because the biggest Christmases that I would have when I was younger was at my aunt's house, and she would have these really big Christmas like decorations. She would fill her house up with Christmas decorations. This was like the first thing you would see as soon as you would walk into her house, which was a singing snowman. And it has a little button right here. Okay, well anyways, it is a little broken. Usually what it does, it'll like do a little dance with the hat up and down and then swing these lighted snowflakes around, which is probably why it was priced at $3. But honestly, I couldn't skip out on it, mostly because I have like a memorable thing attached to this. So, and I really can't wait to show my aunt either. Got one more thing, which I'm not going to show you guys, but if you do follow me on my blog or on my Instagram, then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I ended up getting this matching set. Yeah, like a matching set, a shirt with this like kind of like jacket. I thought it was super chic, super cute, and I've been wanting a suit, but this was like the closest thing that I could find to like something matching that would look cute. So I'm gonna use that for a photo shoot. I'm gonna post it on the blog and show you guys how I style it. On the lookout for that. And I think that's it. I'm super excited to show you guys the rest of the Vlogmas that I have planned. I am accepting this challenge because I literally don't know when I'll have time to film. To be honest, I don't even know how I accepted this challenge, but I really want to do it. It's something different and it's something that I'm probably gonna have so much fun in. But I pretty much got all of that. And yeah, so I guess that's the end of this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys, bye.